Larry. I gotta show you all what I've been up to. You can see all around the shop. I like all my old stuff. I've done videos on that. I've also done videos on what a mess my shop has been. And I've spent 4 or 5 days up here cleaning, getting rid of stuff, making room, saying, good, I'm not gonna bring anything else in. Then I get a phone call and somebody says, do you wanna come look at this stuff? Well, let me show you what I've been up to. Last week I get a call from a friend, and I don't know how many of you are familiar with this, with druthers. They were originally Burger Queen, then they changed to druthers, and that was here in the Kentucky area. So those were a cool find, especially the shape they're in. Some old jadeite coffee cups. Inauguration of Bush and Quail, 1989. That's a Louisville stoneware cup. And let me turn around and show you this jewel of a find. This is this gray seal thermometer. They go along with a couple more I have, an old Gatorade and another one from a chapel in Lawrenceburg, Kentucky. And let me walk in the other room. Utensils and saltine box. The dippers I already had. I just put them together. A few other containers. The chimney sweep. The other lighter fluid was from a friend of mine, Penny. The baby powder was new. Although Ronson is not all that old, that can was only $1 something, so I have no idea how old that is. Now back in the other room again. Okay, more smalls. This is just a really cool lamp. Everything this guy had worked. Noma Christmas lights, never out of the box. Another old radio, it works, needs cleaning up. It was on his workbench, but it works. It can go over here on a shelf with some of my other old radios, little pink Princess radio. The Zenith didn't work when I got it, but I fixed it. And there's a old 8-track AM, FM. Another older radio, probably from the 70s, Panasonic. There's a Walkman, and there's a transistor radio in that box. So, gotta make room for this other one to go with them. And back to my box. GE Christmas tree lamps, never opened. Westinghouse Christmas lights. Never opened. Add a light. I haven't even opened that. Oh, these are hangers for Christmas lights. Huh, pretty cool. Place lights wherever you want them. I didn't really realize I got that. Found this. I missed it the other day, so that'll go in there with the other stuff. Found this cool old spoon that I kept because I am interested in spoon making. That's why I made my shave horse. This was my first attempt. It's a little shallow. I could still hollow out some more. I'm not convinced that I'm done with it. And let's see. This cordite freezer chart. 25 cents. I got that just because of the advertising and as a wall hanger. And the same thing with poultry bags. There was a whole box of these things, and it's a good possibility they threw them all in the dumpster. I may have to go by tomorrow and check that. And old handle, I'll show you where that may come in handy. Ice pick. This, I may make this into a carving tool. It's a pretty good piece of metal on this putty knife. And over here, I got these doors. I will repurpose those. These are tables this guy made. Really cool fold-up tables. Just a lot of patina wear. And both of them fold up the same way. They're both real nice. I got this one out of whack. Okay. Look at these. It's upside down, but cool old screen doors. I got 2 of these. I got more doors that match those smaller ones. There's a small, a medium size, and a larger size. They'll all become projects being repurposed. This panel door I've had for a while. And I think that's all I got. I've got these bags. I think I've got some flour bags somewhere. Kentucky bread. So that's how I've spent several days this week. Oh yeah, I also got I got a new draw knife. No, that's not it. I had that one. That's not it either. This is it. This is a really cool knife as well. So that'll come in handy with spoon making and stuff. And I almost forgot, I got this exit sign. I just really like the way that it's made and just the way it reflects. It's not electric. Maybe I'll use that to end the video. So, all different stuff I do in yard sailing and making pins and rings and bowls, make them whatever. Is this homesteading? Not in a sense of growing, raising livestock. Kim's the garden girl. Got some fruit trees and grapes, blackberries. I'm going to do more of that stuff this year. I want to do pumpkins. But the stuff that I do with things you can see in the background that I like, it does allow us to be somewhat self-sufficient, because I barter or I sell. It does bring income to the homestead, you know, and I build stuff that Kim needs for the garden or whatever. But I often work up here, and when I do a video, I'm thinking this ain't got nothing to do with homesteading. My end doesn't, not really, but it's what I enjoy, and It does keep money coming in because I'll repurpose the doors into something else that somebody else will like. I'll make a table, or I'll make a bench. And like I say, that in itself allows us to be a little more self-sufficient. So what do you think? Is it homesteading? Is it hobbies? Is it picking? Is it crafts? Anyhow, that is just one of my passions. Is I feel obligated to save stuff from our past. So with that said, I've been in the top of a dusty, dirty loft, pulling out boxes and bags and helping these people get this building cleaned out. I helped them to know some of the stuff they had that I made aware to them. You know, don't let somebody come offer you $10 for this. This is worth more. There were numerous things I found in there that I helped educate them about, so nobody took advantage of them. And in return, I thought they gave me really good deals and good prices on everything that I got. So once again, is it homesteading or not? Okay. Thanks for hanging around. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you later.